Hello and welcome back to Stardew Valley, Hockey Gaming, and I'm Fr0thgar. Oh, that's great. We have got some nice crops going. On the 17th of spring, everything is going quite nicely. We have a little bit of money and everything is going great. I hope everyone is doing fine. Keeping yourselves out of trouble and stuff. Oh, let's do some chores. No. Quickly water our plants and stuff. So now we actually have, I think we have enough now to upgrade one of our tools. And I think we might do that, but I want to do it on a day when it's raining, so that I don't miss out on watering crops at any point. Damn it. Boop, boop, doop, doop. Almost done. Let's see. There we go. And it is 9 AM. I believe it is 2002. Oh, green sauce. Stir frying. We already know to make that. I want to check the weather. It is going to be clear and sunny all day tomorrow. Okay, so we can't upgrade it today. Actually, let's just go to the mine. Might as well mine as much as we can. Why am I bringing this then? Let's just dump these copper bars. There's no need to bring them, or any of this stuff for that matter. There we go. Actually, boop. I hope everyone's doing fine. Oh, there's more salmon berries. I thought they stopped spawning. Oh, may as well just pick some on the way. I don't want to run out there. We got 77 berries, so we should be fine. 35. Ooh, we're almost at silver level. Oh, yeah, silver. Didn't I have a torch? Oh, lovely. I thought I had a torch at some point. I guess I dumped it for some reason. Die. Actually, we might as well eat some berries because our energy is quite low. Yeah, that should be fine for a bit. I don't really care about copper. We have plenty at the moment. There we are. Now we can see a bit. Awesome. It doesn't look like there's anything here though. So let's just find the way down and get to level 40 and we should be able to find silver. Come on. There we go. Woo! Both away. And we got a useless slingshot. Fantastic. Where's the button? Right. Cool. Oh, and that's iron. We have iron now. Iron is also fantastic. So let's just kill this guy. He might drop a way down. Nope, but did it drop a dwarf scroll? We need those, actually. They're not super important, but we can get a friend from it. We can learn how to speak Dwarvish, and we can talk to the dwarf who's standing in the mine. Which I have not been able to do yet. My wife has, because she's found all the scrolls, but I've never found the 4th scroll. So that's something we'll do at some point. Die. More berries. Wonderful. Way down and some iron. And this time we already have a way down. Fantastic. Iron and copper. Sweet. Oh, got an amethyst as well. That's lovely. Another dwarf scrolls, no need for that. Just doesn't sell for anything. Well, I think it sells for one gold or something. So there's no point. These guys are good for coal. And frozen tears apparently. Yeah, I need to upgrade my pickaxe. It takes way too long. Way too long to cut down normal rocks. Just, yeah, there's nothing here. Alright. Let us call this a day and get out of here. Actually, let's have a chat with these guys. Oh. 2,000. So, ammo and swords. Alright. Fair enough. There's nothing reading. Killed 49 slimes, 5 bats, 70 cave insects, and 9 duggies. 6 dust spirits. And that's it. Alright. Yeah, he doesn't want so. Fine. Fine, whatever. Just a quick look. We might as well harvest some berries. We've already done to 69. Woohoo. So yeah. There's a bunny. I think we have 3 of those already, and we might have 2 of those, maybe? I don't know, but whatever, we'll see. We just need to get that done so we can get around a bit faster with the minecarts, which is lovely. Oh, torch. Dumpy dumpy dump dump dump. Dump all this stuff. Pick all that stuff up. I'm really annoyed you can't destroy the slingshots because it's so rubbish. We have one of those. We have one of those. We have one of those. Have 5 of those. We don't have 99 slimes, but we're probably gonna get a what's it called? I'm blank. One of these things, solar essence, void essence. Probably gonna get one of those pretty soon. Faster than we're gonna get 99 slimes, at least. So, I think that was it. Not that. Loki, Mr. Whiskers. And it was gonna be beautiful and sunny all day tomorrow. Okay, whatever. Oh, level 3. And minus treat. Perhaps we should have a look at what that can do. Oh, there's also that. Oh no. Minus treat? Oh, it's because we have to cook it, and we don't have a cooker yet. Alright. Oh, a bean. To actually make some stuff, but oh well. Right. chores time. Oh, we actually forgot to check though what the reports. Cleansing, damn it. Need a rainy day. Come on. Well, actually, we might as well finish it here. 16 minutes, and I'm just gonna do chores and then I'm gonna go to bed. So, I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe, or dislike if you didn't, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Yeah. Ew, it smells! Why is it locked? I want to explore the sewers. I think Gunther has the key. Professor Gunther? The man who runs the museum? Why do you think he has it? I saw a big rusty old key fall out of his pocket one time. A creepy sewer door like this just got to be a match for such a big rusty old key. There's something moving around in there. Sorry about that. I was just finishing up the episode and foraging a little bit, and I happened to post across a cutscene, so I thought I'd just record that. Anyways, laters. Bye.